Hello again, YouTube peoples. It's me, BlackMagic8520, back for another Python tutorial video. In the last video, I pretty much just explained how everything would go down and work, and I showed you the print command, which is pretty lame. But, I'm gonna do some more in this video. Hopefully less talking and more doing. Alright, so, I'm gonna open that script we were working on in my last video. Alright. Oh, what did I do? Oh, I did the wrong thing. Oops. No, what am I doing? Alright, there we go. There's our old script. So again, we have the shebang to tell Linux kernel or bash, whatever, what program to use to run the script. And then we have our print command telling it to print hello world. That's pretty lame, so I'm just gonna edit this rather than making a new one. I'm gonna go over another pretty easy command here. Since Python is mainly only variables, what I call this is, I guess, raw input variables. Because, literally... Alright, let me explain how this is gonna work. I'm gonna type out, just for video's sake, I'm gonna type out choice. Space equals space. This choice is going to be our variable. And then this equal sign here is what we're going to use to define the variable. Just follow me here for a second. What I'm saying... Alright, let me just finish the whole thing. Alright, now what I just did was typed choice equals raw input, parentheses, do you like YouTube videos, close parentheses. Now, what that means is choice, literally choice here, is our variable. And we're defining this under the terms of... To define choice, it's going to ask you, or it's going to print out... God damn it, I suck at explaining things. Okay, to define choice, it's going to say, do you like YouTube videos? And the raw input, whatever you input after it asks you that, will be stored as choice. That might not make any sense. I'm going to demonstrate that really quick. Okay, since I already chmoded it in the last video, I don't have to re-give it permission to run, so I can just run it. See how it asks me, do you like YouTube videos? Just like I said it would before. The raw input, whatever we put into this, is going to be stored as our variable choice. It doesn't do anything with that because we didn't tell it to, but we still defined it as choice. Or yes, we still define the variable choice as this. Alright. When I do Python, I always like to think in my head like exactly what I'm telling it to do. So I'll be typing here and I'll be like, okay, so choice variable equals the raw input of do you like YouTube videos. So if you're like me, that's what it does. It defines the variable as the raw input of what it displays. I hope you understood that, because I'm not the best at explaining things. Anyway, now we have choice defined as our answer to that, which I put as yes. But we don't have it, it's not doing anything with that. It's just, okay, great, he does like YouTube videos, that's fine. But we're not doing anything with it, so we have to do something with it. Second command, if, which is exactly what it sounds like, if choice equals, we put two equals here because it's comparing something, not defining something. So if choice equals yes, colon, what this is doing is, it's literally saying, if the choice is yes, do whatever I tell it to. So, once again, just running through it. We're going to define the choice variable as the raw input of do you like YouTube videos. And if the raw input to do you like YouTube videos is yes, then it's going to do something for us. We have to tell it what to do. Let's see, what can we do with that? Okay, alright, how about this? So, alright. We're using the print command from the last video. Print, I like YouTube videos too. Okay, so again, what this is doing is, we're defining the choice variable by the raw input of do you like YouTube videos. And if that raw input is equal to yes, it's going to print I like YouTube videos too. So, check this out. Alright. Oh, I broke it. Oh, yeah. Python, you have to indent stuff, and I always forget to do that. So, don't forget to do that. If, as far as I've seen so far with what I do, if you do an if or an elif, which I'll explain later, you have to indent on the, like, command. So, yeah, just indent here. Tab to indent. Save it. Alright, so now when I run it, it's going to ask me if I like YouTube videos. And I'm going to say yes. And now in our script, we said, if I say yes, it's going to tell me that he likes YouTube videos too. My console likes YouTube videos. Yes, I like YouTube videos too. Very simple, but kind of cool. Okay. So one more time, just because I like thinking of it like a puzzle almost. We're going to define the choice variable as the raw input of do you like YouTube videos, and if that input is equal to yes, then it's going to tell us that he likes YouTube videos too. Alright, now what else can we do with this? I will teach you about elifs now. Alright, so I press enter twice just to make a nice space. Elif, which I'm pretty sure means else if. It's like the same thing as if, but you can only have one if, and all the other ifs have to be elifs. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so elif choice equals no. So again, if our choice variable is equal to no, then we're going to tell it to print, then you suck. Alright, so defining the choice variable by the raw input of do you like YouTube videos. If that choice equals, or if that input equals yes, it's going to tell us that he likes YouTube videos too. But if that choice equals no, it's going to print that you suck. So, I'm going to save it and rerun it. Do you like YouTube videos? No.